Hello everyone, my name is Douglas Tete, founder of Makers Place in Ghana. I continually seek better ways of presenting STEAM education to children and youth in Ghana to prepare them for the careers of the future. I will be talking about robotics project, teaching robotics for children and youth in Ghana from Makers Place perspective in the country. Let me use this opportunity to talk about Makers Place and then demonstrate how we have and continue to make impact in the lives of children and the youth in the country. Makers Place is a technology learning and skills development company that uses project-based learning (PBL) to allow students to explore topics through inquiry, which provides our students to make their learning more authentic. We are a solid team of expert and active engineers with diverse experiences who are passionate about bringing industry experience to future generation in the classroom. Technology is evolving. Therefore, we believe our children cannot be left out to be only consumers of this emerging technology. With the proper hardware and software, learning environment, and applying the appropriate pedagogy, coupled with child-friendly STEM coaches, you can be assured of a globally competitive child. As I indicated, robotic education is on the increase in the country, with the majority of the training geared towards children from primary school to senior high school. It's being championed by private organizations, for-profit or other not-for-profit organizations. With the support from private organizations, government, some schools have been able to set up robotic clubs for interested children. There are also a couple of STEM centers being opened across the country to help children develop their creativity and be able to be future ready. Teaching of robotics projects in various schools and by other organizations are most often have a shorter duration, which I call the whet appetite approach, to excite the children and also to create awareness for STEM and STEAM learning. Due to resource constraints faced by these organizations, it becomes very difficult to provide each learner with robotic kit to take home after a few days of training. However, Makers Place robotics are more of a result-oriented approach, right where assessment begins right from enrollment to completion. This allows us to understand the learners and provide assistance when needed. The learners are given access to the software and hardware needed to complete their project. The child interested in robotics learns to code, learns to build, learns to design and 3D print their own robot using our project-based learning approach, where students come out with their own project and then they take responsibility for their project, but then they get assistance from our facilitators and they are able to say, I built this robot. We partner with schools to teach robotics to students as an extracurricular activity (ECA), and the evidence shows clearly how the students are curious about robotics. We also have weekend robotic classes where on Saturdays, instead of staying at home, the children come to the training center and then they learn how to build, they learn to build systems, they learn to code their own games, they learn to build websites and so on. We are starting our online robotics training in January to meet our growing demand in the country. Our mission is to provide learners with globally competitive training and skills through STEAM education. Therefore, we use globally standard hardware and software and also have international partnership with most of the tech companies. We also train these children to be ready to participate in other international competitions, be it Codiva AI and coding competition, or MakeX competition, and even Roboleague in Brazil. Benefit of robotics to the children and youth. Apart from learning problem-solving skills, creativity, they are able to be future-ready because it enhances their skills and career path. It's also a way to help Ghana achieve the SDG 4, 5, 8, and 9. Thank you.